Last month at Schmidt's Antiques May 2024 gallery auction, we had the pleasure of auctioning a rare early 20th century giraffe carousel figure by the Philadelphia Toboggan Company. The giraffe was originally purchased by a Michigan buyer as a birthday present for his young daughter in 1944. It was acquired in New York and came from a late 19th to early 20th century carousel that was being disassembled and sold.
I bid $30,000.
Yeah, you have 30.
I'm looking for $32,500. $30,000 is bid. I'll take $32,500 if you wish. You want to see how much fun it is? $32,500. Last call then at $32,500. Sold for $30,000 even. Thank you very much. Bidder number 311.
The figure sold over the phone for $37,500, including buyer's premium, to a collector in Oxford, Maryland. Interested in consigning with us? Head over to schmidtsantiques.com for more information.